Hi viewers, you are live on Ewenyigba TV. This very special program is brought to you by New Zealand's Ever English Dictionary. Like I said, you may be asking what New Zealand's Ever English Dictionary is, but trust you mean, it's the best English dictionary that you can ever look for. If you want to learn ever, or you're somebody who is learning ever, I recommend to you New Zealand's Ever English Dictionary. My name is Christian Adiabo, and today I have with me Wolfman. Wolfman, you're welcome to Ewenyigba TV.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so today we'll be diving into his music career as far as music is concerned, right here in Ghana, right here in Africa, right to the world. So, Wolfman,
Yeah.
how is the music career going?
Hi to all my viewers, and big up yourself, Christian, and Ewenyigba TV. Music is now a business, but before it was passion, So if you ask me how's music going, it's a career, it's a journey. So you're still on it. Yeah.
Okay.
Still on it.
Music is a business, like he said. Unlike before, we say it's a passion, but now, hey, it's no longer a passion. Yeah, Wolfman, we understand you are a sports personnel. Yes, you've been playing football.
Sure.
If I'm right. So can
Sure.
you tell us something a little about?
Yeah. Way back,
Okay.
back in, let me see, 2000s, the millennium years.
Okay.
I was playing Bebeto FC,
Okay.
and I represented, I captained the district here and even to the regionals.
Okay.
Way back. That was under 12, under 15 category.
Okay.
So aside that, I jumped into, I discovered another talent, which is music.
Okay.
So yeah, so it's true, I was once a footballer.
Oh, okay. But by then, what number were you playing?
I wore number 7. I played from the wings.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. So, Wolfman, I believe, are you married?
Yeah, I'm married.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So, can you really tell us how you've been coping with your music journey so far?
I would say everything is good.
Okay,
Just that it's now picking slowly.
okay. It's now picking slowly.
It's now picking slowly,
Okay,
because we were off the scene for a while.
okay,
Because certain things happen.
Okay.
And I just don't want to
Okay.
touch more on that.
Okay.
Because we've already been speaking about this particular thing I was talking about.
Okay.
In previous interviews with other TV stations and radio stations.
okay,
I don't really like going back there much.
Okay.
Because it's past then.
okay,
It should be where it's supposed to be, or it should be where it is now. That's the past.
okay,
So we are now back to the scene.
okay,
We're doing music. I just dropped let me say a mix.
Okay.
A mixtape. One Shatawale's Cash Out mixtape.
Okay.
Some few months ago.
Okay.
I have a couple of songs that is already doing well.
okay.
Yeah. So as much as I can say, music is a journey, and we're still on it.
Okay.
So we're going. We
Okay,
surely
that's
get there
great.
soon,
That's
inshallah.
great. So, viewers, you are hearing Wolfman. Yes. What do you call it? Wolfman?
Yeah.
Even aside that,
Yeah.
have you ever encountered any challenges apart from what you were saying?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
any success throughout your journey in the music industry?
Yeah. Let me say, Volta Music Awards,
Okay.
and a couple of awards, yeah, and couple of shows as well. Because if we talk about success,
Okay.
it's profit.
Sure.
You understand, when doing something and
But
you
not
see,
only profits. Maybe.
yeah, and at the end of the day, when you
Okay.
are successful,
Okay.
meaning you are better than yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So if that's how you term success, then yeah. Because we are always better than yesterday.
Sure.
And that's
sure.
what's happening.
We are moving forward.
We are moving forward.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you, if they say LMG, what actually is LMG? What does it stand for? What is the whole concept of LMG? What's that?
LMG is a movement.
Okay.
It's a movement.
Okay.
And in that movement, we have artists as well.
Okay.
So we call it, when you come to the entertainment or the artistic part of the LMG, we call it large music group.
Okay.
but it's large movement group.
Okay.
Whereby we have a football team. We just registered third division, which
Okay.
is large FC.
Okay.
You know, and we have some artists too, like
Okay.
these painters who are also part of the LMG. It's a whole movement, not only music.
Okay.
You understand? But me being the boss of LMG, which is the music part of the LMG.
Okay.
It's large music group.
Okay.
That's LMG. Yeah.
So Wolfman, if I may ask,
Yeah.
do you manage yourself, or you have a manager who manages you or manages the whole team?
Yeah,
How about that?
we have a team.
Okay.
We have a team, and
Okay.
everyone plays his role, his
Okay.
or her role.
Okay.
You understand? But me being the boss doesn't mean I'm the one controlling everything. I also play my role as well, even though I'm the CEO of the LMG.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, but we have a couple of people who play their roles.
Okay.
Some big up yourself, Frank Bloggy, Sam, you know, and a whole lot.
Okay.
Yeah, we are a team, but
Oh,
not a
okay.
record label though.
Okay.
Let me clear this. People think the LMG is a record label.
Oh, okay.
Whereby they don't get the chance to get closer to it because they think I'm a signed artist.
Okay.
No, the LMG is a movement, like I
Okay.
said before.
So your gate is open
It's
to
open
everybody
to
who wants to
anybody who
come
want
in.
to come in
Oh,
to
okay.
partner with us to make things better.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, assuming you've been given the chance, or you are privileged
Yeah.
to become the music president of, say, Ghana.
Yeah.
So, how do you put things in order? How do you manage?
I'll
Yeah.
bring into existence our industry.
How? If you say
Yeah,
that, is the industry that?
Oh,
Is
no.
it dead?
Excuse me to say,
Okay.
we are like, let me say, the Ghana music industry
Okay.
is now
Okay, it's not
trying
picking
to-
up,
it's,
or
it's now trying to get a stand.
oh, okay,
You understand? Yeah, pardon my money. Though,
okay. So
but-
can you clarify that, if it's now trying to pick a stand, or trying to, stand up? What does
Yeah.
that mean?
You know, before, yeah, when we were growing up,
Okay,
we remembered we have artists like this, Daddy Dumbes and the Amachi Dedis and the Kojo Entries, and
okay,
everything was going on well, even though we don't know much about the music industry. But this our time, it's not like before.
oh, okay.
You know, it's not like before.
Like changes,
Yeah.
in terms of,
let me say, promotion.
okay,
You understand? Unlike before. But now we do everything individually.
okay,
You understand? And the likes of the big artists, our A-list at the Shatawali, the
Okay.
Sarkodis and the Stone Boys, you see that they are doing everything
Okay.
by their self, no record level. Just recently, Stone Boy got signed by Def Jam Africa, or
Okay.
something like that. Yeah. So you could see that if I've been given that privilege or given that chance, I will bring or I will make our industry to come into existence. You know?
okay. But Wolfman, your music journey, has it started from Soga, Sope, Volta region? Where has it started from?
Yeah, it started from Soga Kope.
Okay.
Right here, you know. This is Supi.
Okay, home.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Supi is Soga Kope, you know. This is where it started from.
Okay. Okay. So you mentioned some two popular other artists like Shatawale and Stoneboy.
Yeah.
So who among these two,
Yeah.
who is your role model?
Both of them.
Both of them?
Everyone doing good is a role model. You know. Everyone
No,
doing
but
good
but
is a role
the
model.
two.
But,
Which
but,
of
but
them?
I'm championing Shatawale.
Why?
I don't know. I just
Oh,
his ways of doing things,
Okay.
you know, the street ways, you
Okay.
know, depending on the fans,
Okay.
yeah, and stuff like that. That's how my LMG is also moving.
Okay.
We're moving. We are known on the streets
Okay.
more than the airwaves, like
Okay.
the radio stations and stuff like that.
Okay. So that means you always consider the streets
The streets.
before the airways.
Yes.
Yeah, viewers, that is Wolfman for you. Yes, we still continue our discussion. So Wolfman, currently, you know, Easter is just in the corner. So what do you have on the table for your fans?
As I said, we were off the scene for a while.
Okay.
We are now back.
And which your fans, they are aware?
They are aware.
Okay.
Anyone following me
Okay.
knows what I'm talking about. You
Okay.
know. They are aware,
Okay.
and not only just my fans, any good music lover is aware
Okay.
that that's what happened.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are back to the scene.
Okay.
I hope you understand.
Okay.
So they all know what we can do and what we do or what we do better.
Okay.
I hope you understand. This Wolfman, the street king, when it comes to voter rage, and I say, oh, do you understand?
Yes, like I was saying, but
Yeah.
this very Easter, which is just in the corner, I think after tomorrow or so,
Yeah.
what actually do you expect your, fans
Okay.
to look out for?
Yeah, I'm inviting everybody to come to Supi. So
Okay.
like of a Touch Bazaar.
Okay.
This is the time we celebrate our festival.
Okay.
I have some couple of shows like 1st April like this.
Okay.
Stadium View.
Okay.
Big up yourself, Kojo TZ. One of my colleagues from Mafikumasi is having a show.
Oh,
We are trying to support him.
that's
I
good.
have another show at Bidis Palace at Christian Village.
Where is Sugakapa? Okay.
Ausakbe.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Christian Village. It's a new open place. Very beautiful place.
Okay.
I have a show there with Kuku Darlington. And,
Okay.
Yeah. So they should expect nothing but boom.
Massive. So even apart from all this, so are you just limiting your music to Volta or Sugakopo Sokpe, or you are thinking about somewhere else? And what are the preparations so far you are putting in place?
Yeah. The LMG, we have a slogan. When we say LMG, the response is large.
Large.
And large is not only Sugakopo or Volta.
Okay.
Understand? Large means large.
Okay.
It's
Everywhere, every corner.
For real, it's a global movement.
Okay.
We have plans, and
Okay.
we have, we visited Hit FM,
Okay.
and we have plans.
We have plans.
And it still hits back to what happened.
Okay.
But since it's the past, it's the past. We have
Okay.
plans. We have
Okay.
certain things in the tunnel coming.
Okay.
We have our radio tour. We're going in the city.
Okay.
Aside that, we have TV, TV tour also.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have so many things in place.
Okay.
Yeah.
So viewers, especially the fans of Wolfman,
Large.
don't forget, or Light family,
Large family.
don't forget, you have heard what he's saying, that there are program outline,
Sure.
especially as far as this Easter is concerned. Don't look for something little, but something massive, something explosive, something big. So what are you still waiting for? You need to support the brand. You get it? You need to support him, push him to the level that you are expecting him to be. Okay? So, but Wolfman, I don't know, your final word to your viewers, or the viewers, and then as well as your fans.
Yeah, this Wolfman speaking. They've been supporting me from day one.
Okay.
Without them, I'm nobody. You understand? And I will be happy if they keep their support coming. And because of them, I cannot quit. I'm not stopping. And I know they started supporting me because they know or they wish something better or greater than what it is today. Okay. And I will keep surprising them. And I will make sure I go to the height that they want. Because for myself, it's a global movement.
Okay. So even apart from that, before we come to a close or we wrap up the show, can you just drop some line, for the new thing that we should be expecting?
Yeah. I have something coming, and I titled it Where I Come From.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah. So if you study where I come from, you could see that there are so many things going on. Okay, the rich keep getting richer, and the poor
keep getting poorer.
You understand?
No contradiction.
Yeah. So I have this thing coming, and I don't want to keep my fans waiting. Though.
Okay.
And I don't want to hit on that too for them to. For it to sound like it's something old when it comes out.
Okay.
So I still have that one in my suitcase and it's locked.
But you
let me
clear
give
the
them,
airway small.
Sure, let me give them some freestyle.
Okay.
One of my favorites. Me give them that ear where me come from. Me no want ear war them a chat do me. Them bad by me baddest. Them not real, them fake like Togo jeans. Them a claim say them a rule like Rollins. Man a champ so me lead them into glory. The girl is slept with two friends, she say sorry. Babylon can't stand up me story. Smoke weed get high, eat pussy, spend money, never be that lazy. Success you the see, no they come down, easy gone down, every bad mind where a pedophile. Listen to me lyrics, man, I do from Genesis. When it's a lot, you back to zero Genesis. Nemesis, too strong man, undefeated, me give them too royal, undiluted. Yeah man, mathematically can calculate me. Physically, them can never stand me. So them coming spiritually, man, a heart clean, them coulda never touch me, man, a soldier. I saw that.
Yes, that is Wolfman for you. Wolfman for you. Yes, Wolfman.
Sure, please.
You know, this very music,
Yeah.
what inspired you? What is the motivation behind the whole music?
Yeah, you know, it's part of my EP that I dropped, the Evergreen EP that I dropped last year. It's all about, you could hear me saying, I give them dead ear.
Yes.
Where I come from.
Yeah,
give
sure.
them dead ear when we come from. You understand that? So if I give them dead ear, meaning I don't listen to all those back chat, like especially the negative words or comments coming from people.
What actually push you before?
Yeah. You know, like I said, where I come from.
Okay.
Everything has to, you know, music is an inspiration.
Okay.
You go through something and the word, boom, the message comes to you and you deliver.
Okay.
That's how good music goes.
Okay.
You understand? So when you listen to the lyrics, it will be like mathematically them can't calculate me.
Okay.
Physically them can't catch me. So them coming spiritually, but still because I'm a heart clean, like I don't think bad for nobody. So they just can't touch me.
Okay.
So it's all about like frenemy, like someone shows you white teeth, but deep down they are not ready for you. You understand? That's what inspired me, because I had certain things like that with some couple of friends. You know, as you know, it's part of life. So that's the street ways.
Okay.
So you go through the street ways and you just bring something like this. Yeah.
Okay, viewers, all too soon we come to a close, and you've heard Wolfman. He said mathematically they can calculate him, physically they can catch him. It's like the wind or air.
Sure.
And because of that, they think, no, he's too spiritual.
Yeah.
So, once again, thank you for making the time with us on Ewenyigba TV. My name again, Christian Adiabo. So, on Ewenyigba TV, see you again.
Large.